Hi.
I am stressed.
It's not great, but not that bad.
Oh. What is this? Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Kind of hurts.
Pre-pun massage.
Yeah, all the old people. We always see them come to this field and walk around barefoot. So
Yeah.
we had FOMO. We wanted to do it too.
It hurt.
That feels good. God, it's so cold. Nice.
내 친구가 제 엄마 차만 끌어본 적이 있거든요. 타고 가다가. 근데 와 못 믿겠더라고요. 사진만 하는 동기가 그렇게 인기가 많대요. 자기 말에 대한
5 hours later.
그걸 많대요.
Are you having trouble?
그렇게 세기지 않았는데 왜 중학생이 아니고 20대 초반이면 좀 많아요.
So we've been living here since March and it's September. We've been avoiding this room for March, April, May, June, July, August, September, for almost 7 months. And we gotta get this place stay ready like this week, because when we first moved in and people stayed over, we had the excuse of, oh, you know, we just moved in, we haven't had time. We've had time now. Let's go.
Let's go.
This is the current state of our guest room. Look at this wallpaper. It's horrible. So ugly and dirty. What is going on here? Don't mind my salt bowl. Just warding off evil spirits.
First of all, we are going to take out who these things at outside.
Mm-hmm.
And we are changing wallpaper.
Mm-hmm.
And then we bought a queen size of the bed frame.
Mm-hmm.
So like it will be like this much. So
Cool.
on Chuseok Korean holiday, my mom and younger sister is coming, so they can stay here.
I'm just gonna show you all the stains on this wall. I don't know who put this wallpaper up. I don't know how long it's been here, but you gotta see this. There's a huge rip. There's that stain, yellow brown. This is just nasty. Goodbye, curtain.
Publish. We bought this paper 2 months ago. Was it 2 months ago?
Probably.
We were always saying, okay, let's do this. Let's do this. And finally we are doing this.
We made the decision to just do it today and get it over with because we only have a week left before Chuseok.
Oh yeah, big.
And his mom will kill us if she finds this room like this.
So we have to make it 14 like this. Yeah. And then the other side, this side, we will make again.
Let me see here.
You okay?
Yeah.
Standing on the bed like this. So we put the glue everywhere. Fold half and then stay for 10 minutes.
Won't it stick together?
Oh, it's okay. The internet told me this the way.
Okay.
And then like, actually we have to wait 30 minutes, but it's too much work. Yeah.
You see how this side has like sparkly lines on it? And then this side is matte white. This is what I want. I don't like this. This is very Korean style wallpaper with glitter and shiny stuff on it.
Keep doing this.
I have to keep doing this?
Yes.
Okay. Oh wow, it's already getting thick.
I know that we love. Ooh, let's do this. Baby.
We're gonna use a cutting board to smooth everything out.
Go.
Wait.
She's cutting the whole electric hole. That is super duper special skill.
Bombastic.
It's ripping. I have to stab it.
Oh, getting worse.
Stop.
It's not great, but not that bad.
Oh, I'm sick of this.
Good boy.
Wow, you can really see the bubbles on the camera.
This was our first time. So as a first time, I think
It's not bad. Yeah.
Not enough, but not bad.
We ran out of sheets, so we had to do emergency cover up here, there, and there. And the second time around, the glue came out much nicer than the first time.
And nicer, and then we knew how much we have to put the glues.
Yeah.
The first one, we put so much glues.
So we learned our lesson, but you know what? For amateurs, we did a pretty good job. Yeah, now we have to trim the edges. All the way through. You have to cut in here. Wax on, wax off.
It looks like this. Look, this is the king size.
Ah, nice. We're gonna go to this really cool plant market.
Yanjae Flower Market.
Yanjae Flower Market. We killed 3 plants already since we moved in, which we moved in March. Now it's October 2nd, I think. But, you know, they lived a good life. RIP, guys. So we need 2 hanging plants. We need like a bush. We killed our fern, so we need to replace something bushy. And maybe like tiny little succulents would be cute too. We're open to anything, really.
There are millions shops.
It's so hard to pick. I don't like this color. It's a guava tree. I want a guava tree. Will this fit in our apartment?
No, it's too big. Lime,
Lime? No.
jamon.
Jamon? Oh. Grapefruit.
It looks like a deer horn. 이거?
요거?
네.
요거?
네.
4만 원.
$40.
Okay, yeah, enough.
밟을 거 없어요. 살짝 밟을 거.
I am stressed. I don't know what to buy. We've only bought one thing and we've been here for like 30 minutes already. Oh, we for sure have to find something. We need something for the guest room. Were we here already?
I think so, but it's so confusing. So cute.
They're selling seeds. So we only made it out with one. It's kind of expensive.
Yeah.
It's more expensive than it was the last time we were here. So we're gonna message a lady that we met on Dangan Market,
Ghetto market?
and she's our plant plug. So we're gonna use her instead. This is really cute though.
Yeah.
Basil.
Rosemary, basil, mint.
What's this? Ah, I want that one. Should we buy 2 rosemaries and 2 basils?
That's good.
Yeah? Do you want a mint? Ah,
Mint is up to you.
I think mint would be nice. We spoke too soon. We passed by an herb garden and we got some basil, rosemary, and spearmint. So this is our haul for today.
The $35.
That's kind of expensive for here. Yay!
My plan is let's take out half the sprout. The other plant we bought, we are planting here, plant here.
Okay.
Do you think it's gonna?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Nice.